Hello guys, and I'm back after many days. Today we are going to learn tkinter again. We will continue, and actually I was so much sick, that's why I couldn't record the video for 1 month. And also my new laptop came, which I had to transport everything and set up everything, but I couldn't transport everything. Actually, I didn't transport all of my folders. That's why I made a new folder which I have named as canvaswidget.py. And today we'll see what is canvas widget. Please watch the video, and after finishing the tkinter series, as I promised all of you, I will teach you some more modules like 70 plus modules. I will teach you all of those, no problem. And I'll launch my website also, game also, you can try it on. I'll take more than 2 months for those things, but for the tutorial series, within 1 month I'll finish all the tutorials needed for you guys to learn. But it will take you guys to learn for much time, because one tutorial will also take you 2 days to write and rectify, right? OpenCV will be teach to you, TV, Panda 3D, Ursina, Pygame, Turtle, even though our PyAuto GY, PyWinAuto. Okay, many things are there. Flask, Django. Okay, these all things I have to teach you guys. That's right. So today we are going to see canvas widgets in the tkinter. So first we'll write from tkinter import asterisk. Sorry, actually I'm not too done with this keyboard. From tkinter import asterisk root is equals to tk, root is equals to tk, and root dot below. After that we'll put an title to our window, root dot title it will be canvas, and I'll say what is on canvas within a minute. And we'll use another type of geometry with considering variables and all. So I'll keep an height variable. Height sorry height is equals to 400. It's okay. And width is equals to 800. It's enough. No, 700 is enough, not 7700. Yeah, now root dot geometry, like this. After that we'll write an f strings. You know in a moment what is f strings. Here width, and here height. Okay, so these f strings are doing like a string only, in which I can do any type of calculation with it. But these are correct way to use no strings. It is an f string. R strings are also there. I'll show you it some other day, because it doesn't have any use today here. So let me run this. Is it working or not? And it's working. Our canvas is made. Now, as I told, I will tell you that what is canvas in a moment. So let me open my open board, and I'll make you understand what is in canvas. So where's my open board? Here it is. So think, this is an canvas. Our this whole board is a canvas. Now, if this is a canvas, no, not in canvas, in a window. In our tkinter window, what we can do? We can write text, we can label text. I have showed you how to write text, how to do something there. I have showed you what is entry widget also, I think so. Yeah, I have showed you entry widgets. No, yeah, I have showed you entry widget. Yeah, I actually forgot. So we can do so many things there. But have you seen to make me, and like have I made any type of line or any type of square and all? So those all are used to make an those can be used by an canvas widget. If we have a canvas, there we can do so many things, like we can draw, we can make shapes in that. Even though when I will show you one project of paint, in that I'll show you how to use the canvas widget there with classes and objects. Okay, with classes and objects only I will show you. So what will happen in the canvas widget is, it will do something like we can't make shapes right in a simple window of tkinter, but it can make shapes for us in the canvas widget. Okay, and inside that shape we can write anything. You can write pkd sign also. I'll show you that in some other videos because signature and all are a bit advanced and you are not of that level till now. So these are the things we can do with canvas widget. So if we make a canvas widget, we can do so many things like think this is a rectangle. In this we can put our entry widget. Okay, and beside that rectangle here one arrow mark will be there, and here we can put our like we can print the details which is given here, so we can print it here by handling the events. That will I'll show in the next video only what is handling events. So if here I write p a r t h partha, and here age I will write 25, here it will write partha and 25. We can make interesting GUIs like that for because of this canvas widget, or else we can't make shapes, no. So these are the reasons why we should have an canvas widget, right? So let's open to our work again. Now, how to use a canvas widget, how to make our window into a canvas. So it's a very simple. Just write an variable. I will write it can widget equals to canvas. Canvas is the widget name. So this is important, not this. And here c should be in capital letters, right? And here we have to call the root here. If we are using any type of classes and also we have to call the self, I might have teached you. Width is equals to, for how much is there here, 700, right? So here also I'll use 700 only. Okay, no, we'll do like, that's why I used an f string here, so that we had to not write it again and again the same numbers. Width is equals to width, and height is equals to height is equals to height. After that we'll pack it up, not g height, it is height, or else it will come an error. Now can widget dot pack, and we have packed it, right? So now let's run it. Now you guys will say, sir, bro, where is our rectangle? Where is our square? So we will see it. Where are they? So this is what we created in canvas. Now to draw something, we can do is can widget, can widget. Okay, dot create. So first we'll see how to create a line. Create line. Okay, this is the command for it. Dot create line. After that we have to give the coordinates to it. So we will give the coordinates here. It takes 4 coordinates. You can see x0 float, y0 float, x1, y1. So float are the variables. Okay, whichever numeric value you are giving. X0, so it's the coordinate detection, x0, then x1, okay, then y0 and y1. I'm not too good at coordinates and all, but I'll put in video on that also. And 800, I want my y x1 as 800, and here I'll put 400 is enough. 400. Now let's see what we can do. Anything else can we do here? We can use active fill color. These all things you can try by yourself, because I don't want to waste the time, because those are not used most of the time. Active fill is there, in which we can fill color on it. Okay, these are the things we can use. And now we'll run it. Let's see what happens. Oh, there's a line, you can see here. There is a line, and you can see that here. Now we can do fill. I think so it's fill only. Let me check. I have not used it from much time. In my notebook it's written as fill. Yeah, fill. And I will do it redo. Okay, so fill. We can do color, any color we can fill there. I'm doing it as redo. Okay, redo is not red. Acha, not redo actually, red. Yeah, so you can see it filled the color. This is what we can use. And we can make a rectangle, we can make circle, we can make so many things, but I'll show you how to make a rectangle also. Those other things you can make by yourself only. There are so many things you can do. If you write create only, so many options will come. You can choose it and write it. I'll do create. See, create bitmap, image, oval, polygon, rectangle. Okay, polygon also we can make. Here again you can see the same values we have to give: x0, y0, x1, y1. Okay, here I'll give our x0 will be 3, y0 will be 5, and I think so x1 will be 700 and y1 will be 300. It's enough. Now let's see what happens. So you can see here it has made a rectangle and in it a red line is crossing. And by changing the coordinates, by playing with the coordinates, you can change it also. Now we can make a polygon also here. I will show you again. Dot create polygon. Whatever you want, you can make there. And I will make of that same coordinates, and it didn't make. So here we need one more coordinate, I think so. What is it saying? Because I never used polygon here. So we'll see. What is it using? X1, Y1, float, Y1. Okay. Same thing. I'll use 4, 6, 100, 400. Like this will make something. And it didn't make. I don't know about it. Why it's not making. I think so. I have given the coordinates wrong. You can check around it. Uh, I'm not responsible for that. Uh, we can now create arc also. Bitmap is actually we can give any type of icon to it. Image, line we have used. Text, create text we can use. Create window again we can use. So what is this taking? Let me see. It doesn't need anything. It needs an height. Okay, height equals to height. Sorry, height equals to 100. And width, screen units we can use here. So many things we can use, but I'll give width and we'll use 20. Anything we can make here. And it's saying window R. Okay, we can't create where we have to use KW arcs and all. I'll show you these things later because these things are not to be done now. Our video's purpose is also not for it. So let me go to rectangle again. We are okay with our rectangle. We can make square also by using the create line method 4 times. Okay, let me show you how to use it 4 times. Simple, just put it inside a loop. Uh, what will do? For I in range 4, 4, we doing this activity. The activity is can widget dot create line. Now don't ask me what is I because here I will put I equals to 0. And here we'll see is it coming or not, and it didn't came. But why? I in range 4. Okay, I think so. It doesn't works like that. Yeah, it will not work. It's not turtle model. Sorry, it can't work. It means it has worked. It has due the line 4 times, but not in the same coordinates. We can't make a same line in the same coordinates. We have to change the coordinates. So in that for loop, you should have in this all should be a variable, and according to the coordinates, we can make anything by using the for loop. We can do it. I'm not using it because it's just extending the time of our video. Today's video is finished. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow I'll present the next video because it will be one of the last video of this series. After that, we'll post for Thai game, Ursina, Kiwi 3D, OpenCV, and so many other 17 plus modules. There are so many things to learn for you guys. So be on this track and regularly videos will come. Don't worry.